In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the font in the Shopify Dawn theme. Welcome to the tutorial. Changing the font in your Shopify store can significantly impact its appearance and user experience, giving it a fresh and personalized look. Whether you're looking to make your headings stand out or want a more cohesive style throughout your entire website, adjusting the typography is a crucial step. Let's dive right into it. First, you need to navigate to the site editor. Once you're there, look to the left panel, where you'll find a gear icon. This is your gateway to the theme settings, so go ahead and click on it. By doing this, you'll open up a variety of options that will allow you to customize how your website looks and feels. Next, focus on the typography section within these settings. This part of the theme settings is where all the magic happens. It's here that you're able to select different fonts for your headings and body text. Consider choosing fonts that complement each other and align with your brand's identity. The right font can communicate the tone and style of your business, so think about the message you want to convey. Additionally, within this typography section, you'll also have the option to adjust the scale. This feature lets you increase or decrease the size of the text, making your headings more prominent or your body text easier to read, depending on your preference. Playing with scale is an excellent way to ensure readability and draw attention to key areas of your site. Once you're satisfied with your font choices and scale adjustments, it's crucial to save your changes. Look for the Save button within the editor, usually located at the top or bottom of the panel, and give it a click. This step is important as it ensures that all of your customizations are applied to your live site, allowing visitors to see your updated style immediately. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the font in the Shopify Dawn theme. It's a straightforward process, but remember, the fonts you choose can make a significant difference in how your site is perceived. Don't be afraid to experiment with different combinations and styles to find what's just right for you and your brand. Thanks for tuning in to this tutorial. I hope this guide has been helpful, and I wish you the best of luck in crafting a beautiful and engaging Shopify store. See you next time.